Good morning friends, this is Kishore. In our previous session we have completed 4 problems and solutions in trains, time, speed and distance topic. So now in this session we are going to continue with our 5th problem in the same topic. So our 5th problem is, if a person walks at 15 kilometers per hour instead of 10 kilometers per hour, he would have walked 20 kilometers more. The actual distance traveled by him is. So here you try to understand the question. Actually for this kind of questions, this kind of problems, we should not even put our pen in the paper. We should try in that way only. So the actual speed is 10 kilometers per hour. So now the person has started walking at 15 kilometers per hour instead of this 10 kilometers per hour, and he has covered 20 kilometers extra distance in the same time. So here time is same, and what is the actual distance? Actual distance means when he has walked at 10 kilometers per hour. So first we have to find out what is the time taken for him to travel. So if we find out the time, we can find out the total distance. So actual speed is 10 km per hour. So according to this speed, in 1 hour the person can cover 10 kilometers, right? 10 kilometers per hour means if he can cover 10 kilometers in 1 hour. Now the same person has increased his speed. Time is same, but only speed is increased. So increased speed is equal to 15 kilometers per hour. So according to this 15 kilometers per hour, in 1 hour, how much distance he can cover? Is nothing but 15 kilometers. In 1 hour, he can cover 10 kilometers here. In 1 hour, same time, he can cover 15 kilometers. So what is the difference here? 5 kilometers. In the same time, in 1 hour, distance difference is 5 kilometers. So now, for suppose he has to cover 20 kilometers extra distance, how many hours he has to travel? For suppose this is 5 kilometers in 1 hour only. So this should be 20 kilometers. That means how long he has to walk? How many hours? So he has to walk for 4 hours. Then only the difference can be 20 kilometers. Understood? Correct, na? So this extra distance should be 20 kilometers, means he should walk for 4 hours. So he is going to walk for 4 hours. So according to this actual speed, if he is walking at 10 kilometers per hour and walking for 4 hours, how long he can cover the distance in 4 hours? It is nothing but in 1 hour it is 10 kilometers, means 4 hours it is 40 kilometers. Correct, na? So here we are not using any formula, just general thinking only. So using the formula also, I'll tell you how to resolve it. So now answer is 40 kilometers. Okay, that is the answer. So now we'll resolve the same question using formula. Okay, so actual speed is S1, we will consider it as S1 is equal to 10 kilometers per hour. Actual distance is D only, we will consider it as D only, and actual time is T only. Now speed 2 is equal to, he has enhanced his speed to 15 kilometers per hour instead of 10 kilometers per hour. So this is becoming 15. Okay, 15 kilometers per hour. So this distance is going to be d plus 20. So at this speed he is going to cover 20 kilometers extra compared to this d. That is correct now. So here d is nothing but d plus 20. Let us consider it as d2. t2 should be same, t only. Here time is same. Okay. So here speed is equal to distance by time. Speed 10 kilometers is equal to 10 kilometers per hour is equal to d by t as per actual speed. Okay. Now as per this speed, s2 is equal to distance by time, d2 by t2. So s2 is nothing but 15 is equal to d2 is nothing but d plus 20 divided by t2 is nothing but t only. Both are same only. So this is the second one. This is equation 1 we will consider. So now here and here two parameters are there, d and t. Two parameters are there. So generally whenever we are resolving any problem, if you make the two parameters or three parameters into single parameter, it will be easy for us to resolve. So here d by t is nothing but 10 only. So what we can write for this one? So same 15 is equal to d by t plus 20 by t. We can write like this, na? D by t plus 20 by t. So same 15 is equal to d by t is nothing but 10 only. 10 plus this 20 by t. So 20 by t is equal to 5. Okay. 4. So t is equal to 4 hours. T is equal to 4 hours. So actual time is nothing but t only. There also t. It is both times are same, na? Only speed is different. Distance, because of this increment in speed, distance is also increasing, but time is same. So the same t we can put here. So 10 is equal to d by t. 10 is equal to d by 4. So d is equal to 40, because they are asking actual distance. This is the actual distance. D is actual distance. If they are asking what the distance when he traveled at 15 kilometers per hour, it should be d plus 20. It should be 60. Answer should be 60. But now the answer is actual distance only. So d is equal to 40. D is equal to 40 is the answer. So in both the ways we can resolve the question. You try to prefer first one only, because in some situations you should not even put your pen. You should save your time while resolving the problem in your examination. Okay, you try to practice in that manner only. Now we'll go to our next question. So read the next question. In a 1 kilometer race, A beats B by 40 meters or by 5 seconds. What is the time taken by A to win the race? So here the race is for 1 kilometer. So for suppose we will consider A has completed the race. A has to complete the race means he has to travel 1 kilometer. So now A has started here and completed here. So this is 1000 meters. Okay, A has started here and completed here. So now B also has to start here only, but he has to be here somewhere here when A reaches the destination. So now what is this distance? Actually A beats B by 40 meters or 5 seconds. So this destination difference, this is the destination, this difference should be 40 meters. Okay, that means this is nothing but 960 meters. Okay, when A has completed 1000 meters, B can travel up to 960 meters only. So that A can beat B by 40 meters. Okay, understood? Now the same thing, if we consider in the point of time point of view, now it should be 5 seconds. The difference should be 5 seconds as per this question. Okay, now here B has to cover this 40 meter in 5 seconds. That is very simple, correct? Na? The same 40 meter distance should be covered in 5 seconds only. That is the speed of B. That is very easy thing. Okay, speed of B is equal to distance 40 divided by 5. Okay, that speed we can calculate using total distance by total time, or this distance by this time also. Both are same only. Both should be same only. So that only at every point of time speed should be same. Okay, so speed of B is equal to 40 by 5 is equal to 8 meters per second. So speed of B is equal to 8 meters per second. So now to complete the total 1000 meters, how long will B take? Distance is equal to 1000. Okay, speed is equal to 8. So that time taken by B to complete the total race is equal to distance by speed. 1000 divided by speed is 8. Okay, correct na? Time is equal to distance by speed. So 8 ones are 25. So T is equal to 125 seconds. So time taken by B to complete the whole race of 1000 meters is 125 seconds. So B has taken 125 seconds to complete total race. Now how long A will take to complete the race? 5 seconds less than B, correct? Na? It should take 120 seconds only. A will take 120 seconds as per this question. Understood? That is very easy. 120 seconds is nothing but 2 minutes. Okay, if the question is asked for B, here it should be 2 minutes 5 seconds. 125 seconds means 2 minutes 5 seconds for B. But now here it is a A's question only. So answer is 2 minutes. Okay, this is the one. So our next question is, read out the next question. What is the next question? A train passes a platform in 36 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. If the speed of the train is 72 km per hour, what is the length of the platform? So whenever we are resolving this kind of question, you remember one thing: whenever a train is crossing a pole or a man, the distance of that length of the man or pole is negligible compared to length of the train. Okay, for suppose it is platform, when a train is crossing a platform, that length of the platform will not be negligible. There should be some length for platform that we will consider. So now the length of the train should be considered as the distance covered by the train to cross the person who is standing beside the train when it is traveling. So now we will find out the distance, that is nothing but length of the train first, to resolve the problem. So what is the speed of the train? Speed is equal to 72 kilometers per hour. Speed is nothing but distance by time. What is the distance? Distance is nothing but the length of the train. So length of the train we will consider as d, distance, divided by time taken by train to cross man standing on the platform is 20 seconds. So time is nothing but 20 seconds. But this is kilometers per hour. Here this is meters per second, because this is 20 seconds only. We should make it in meters only. So this should be seconds only. We will make this one also into kilometers per hour into meters per second. So 72 into 5 by 18 is equal to distance. Distance is nothing but length of the train here. Okay, distance divided by 20. So 18 4 is that. So d is equal to 4 into 5 into 20. So 400. It is nothing but length of the train. Length of train. This is nothing but length of the train. But what we require here, length of the platform. So length of the platform, how we can find out? The same formula, but here speed is same. Speed is nothing but 72 kilometers per hour. Speed is equal to distance while crossing a platform. So distance should be length of the train plus length of the platform, both. So length of the train we considered already as d only. Okay, length of the train we already considered as d only, plus length of the platform we consider it as a p. So d plus p divided by time is nothing but 36 seconds. Time is 36 seconds. So this also we have to consider as a meters only, divided by seconds. So meters per second. This also we have to make into meters per second, like this only. So 72 into 5 by 18 is equal to d plus p. D is nothing but 400. So 400 plus p. 400 plus p divided by 36. 18 into 4. So 20 into 36. 20 into 36 is equal to 400 plus length of the platform is p only. Now 36 into 2, 720 is equal to 400 plus p. So now p is equal to 720 minus 400. So it is nothing but 320. Length of the platform is 320 meters. So we have already converted this kilometer per hour into meters per second. So this will automatically become meters only. So 320 meters will be the answer. Okay. Please note down, and we'll move to our next question. Read the question, 8th question. Two trains of equal lengths are running on parallel tracks in the same direction at 53 km per hour and 43 km per hour. The faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds. The length of each train is. So here length of each train is same like that they have already mentioned here. But the speeds are different. So now we know one thing. When the trains are moving in opposite directions, you will consider total length as this length plus this length, and the total speed as the first train speed and second train speed. Now the trains are moving in the parallel direction, moving the same direction. They are parallel and moving in same direction. But speed of one train is 53 kilometers per hour and speed of another train is 43 kilometers per hour. So for suppose we will consider this is 53 kilometers per hour and this is 43 kilometers per hour. So when this one is crossing this other one, the length should be length of first train plus length of second train. But speed is different. Already they have given here 53 plus 43, and time should be like 36 seconds. So now speed is equal to distance divided by time. So now what is the speed? Speed is nothing but 53 minus 43. So speed is nothing but speed of faster train, which is nothing but S1 we will consider minus S2 is equal to distance is length of each train is same. So we will consider it as L only. So for suppose L plus one of the train's length is L and other train's length also L only. So L plus L divided by total time. So S1 minus S2, 53 minus 43, it is 10. But it is in kilometers per hour. Don't forget about that one. Okay. Is equal to 2L, because L we do not know. We have to find out L only. So L we have to find out. And what is the time? Time is nothing but 36 seconds. So this is 36. So 10 into 5 by 18. We are making this one into meters per second only. Is equal to 2L divided by 36. 18 ones are 18 twos are. So we can cancel like this now. Equal means here and here we can cancel. If it is into only we can do that. If it is plus means we cannot do that. Okay. If this one is plus means we cannot do that. This is into now, so we can do this. So 2 and this 2 and this 2 also cancelled. So now L is equal to 50. Length of each train is 50 meters. Answer is D. Okay. Understood?